Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's video, we'll explore how to extract data from YouTube using Python, Playwright, and LXML, and explain how to avoid rate limits or blocks by using proxies. Let's get started. Playwright is a powerful solution that enables efficient and scalable scraping. With support for headless mode, automated interaction with web pages, and proxy integration, it's an ideal tool for working with dynamic platforms like YouTube. For this tutorial, we'll be using Visual Studio Code as our main editor. You'll find a link to the full code and setup guide in the video description below. To start off, install the necessary Python libraries using pip command. It will be Playwright and LXML. Then install the required browser binaries for Playwright using Playwright install command. To install only the browser binaries for Chromium, use the following command: Playwright install Chromium. Next, we import the required libraries. Since interacting with the browser and network requires waiting for responses, we'll be using the asynchronous version of Playwright. For that, Python's built-in async.io module is used to run async code smoothly. Now let's look at the core logic. We'll launch a headless browser session with Playwright, navigate to a YouTube video URL, wait for the page to fully load, and then scroll the page to dynamically load more comments. We'll extract the HTML content using Playwright and parse it with LXML. With XPath expressions, we'll retrieve the video title, channel name, and user comments. All relevant metadata is collected and structured for later use. Finally, we save the extracted data into a CSV file, which makes it easy to analyze or store long-term. Platforms like YouTube implement anti-scraping protections, things like rate limits or bot detection, which can make data extraction difficult unless you use the proper methods to avoid blocks. To avoid blocks during YouTube scraping, proxies are used. They allow distributing requests through different IP addresses, which improves scalability and helps bypass limits. In Playwright, the proxy parameter in the playwright.chromium.launch function sets up browser traffic routing through the selected proxy server. In this implementation, it's necessary to specify the proxy server's address, port, username, and password. We pass the proxy parameter to the launch method in Playwright, where server is the IP address of the proxy server. Username and password are the credentials if the proxy requires authentication. Now we run the scraper in the browser via Playwright in asynchronous mode. After launching the scraper, you will see a file named youtube_video_data.csv containing all the collected data. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company Proxy-Seller. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell, and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.